This is the brand new English Pokemon set, Perfect Order, which released today, and as you can see, I'm going to be opening this ETB, as that was pretty much the only thing I could get. But I do have this booster box, which is the Japanese version of Perfect Order. So if you want to see me rip it, smash that like button. But anyway, let's get into ripping this. So yeah, guys, here is the box. Let's just try and get into this now. Here is the player's guide. Here is the final page. We also have the gold Mega Zygarde card. And yo, the page before this, we have a bunch of banger cards. We have some sleeves, which are super cool. Here's the promo card, which is Tyrant, and I absolutely love dinosaur Pokemon, so yeah, what a banger. What is also cool is, guys, there is the code card. We also have some of these dividers, which are actually all the different forms of Zygarde, which I think is a really cool touch. Oh yeah, that looks sick. Here are some dice. It's got the green EX on as well. And then finally, the Pokemon coin. So we got Pokemon on the back, and then boom, nice green on the back. Yeah, that looks super sweet. Oh my days, guys, it has been so long. So yeah, we got Mega Starmie on one of them, Mega Clefable, Mega Zygarde, Meowth, and then I think, yeah, that just repeats. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, guys, what's your favorite pack art? And yeah, definitely let me know if you guys are opening any of the new Perfect Order set. And yeah, if you are, what are you opening? Oh, and yeah, for any of you with a Keen Eye, as you can see here, we've got the 151, we got the Team Rocket. I don't know if we should set a sub goal or something like that, but maybe at 100 subs, we open the Team Rocket, or 151 subs, we open the 151. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see any like crazy openings. These are obviously Japanese though, because guys, it's just impossible to get your hands on English Pokemon cards at the moment. Like, I have barely been able to buy any. Like, it's literally just this ETB and a booster bundle, which we'll open in another video. But right, let's get into this first pack. So here we have it. Okay, I've kind of butchered this. Oh, I forgot, guys. Is there a card trick? Code card, guys? And okay, from what I found, it's just one card to the front, which should be an energy card. So yeah, let's guess it as we always used to on some of the streams if any of you are from that. But yeah, let's guess water energy, and boom. Okay, it's electric. Guys, I'm literally just brushing off my desk. But anyway, let's get into the cards, guys. Pokemon Catcher, Nose Pass, Snivy, that's the starter I picked in black and white, Scoruppy, Aromatize, Rose's Encouragement, Pavilion, Reverse Hollow Orosis, and Reverse Hollow Tyrant, and a Hollow Sheen Pow, if I'm saying that right. But I didn't realize, guys, you get 2 reverse hollows in a pack now. Because, yeah, when I last opened packs, yeah, you only got 1. At least we did the card trick right. So, yeah, hey, shout out to Google. Boom, though. There is the code card. And then 1 to the front. And then let's make sure that we don't see. Boom. Okay, I didn't do the energy pick, but hey, Metal Energy, Doublade, Hawlucha, Spupa, Energy Search, Luxio A. Love that Pokemon. It's not just Synth, guys. I can't remember. There's a way to pronounce this, and I never get it right. Oh, Meowstic. Okay, Reverse Hollow Diggersby. We should get another Reverse Hollow Pokepad. Please, guys. Let's get something good. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, okay, it's another Hollow, but it is a Tyrantrum. So, very cool looking Pokemon. We do have 7 more packs, though, so let's just keep going. Right, then, there's the code card. 1 to the front, and then flip this over. I didn't guess again, guys, but I just want to open the packs, guys. I want to get a hit. But yeah, let's just keep going through. Meowstic again. Oh, Hawlucha, Reverse Hollow. Shinx, Reverse Hollow. Very nice. And then, come on, please. Please. Mega. Boom. Oh, Mega Zygarde. Mega Zygarde. Okay, we will take that. That is a W, guys. Holy. But yeah, there you go, guys. It's in the semi-rigid. I called it. I literally said Mega, and boom, it showed up. Mega Zygarde. That is fire, man. Hey, first pull of the video. But yeah, now we're on to the Meowth pack art. Hey, he's just chilling on the bench. Probably my favorite pack art. I'm not sure, though. But yeah, guys, as I said, I've bought a bunch of Japanese cards over the past couple weeks. So yeah, I will be bringing out... Oh, there's the code card. I will be bringing out some videos going over those pack openings. I also was thinking of doing, like, ranking some card sets. Okay, Water Energy. Also, let's get rid of this pack. Okay, Furfro, Tyrant, Servine. But yeah, I was thinking of doing some of those openings, so definitely let me know down below what set you'd like to see next. Reverse Hollow Jaw Fossil, Reverse Hollow Hippopotas, and a Meowth EX in the Meowth pack. Yo, guys, back-to-back hits. And yeah, that Meowth card looks sick, guys. I'm such a fan of that. But yeah, boom, there he is in the semi-rigid. Guys, there's no way. So we got Mega Zygarde and we got Meowth. That is crazy. Or Meowth EX, should I say. I mean, they're both EXs. And guys, we've still got 5 packs left. This is going so well. I did not expect this to happen. Oh, okay, I've kind of chalked this pack. There's the code card. Okay, right, so Basic Energy, Doublade, Hawlucha, Spupa, Energy Search, Trainer Card, don't care, Diggersby, Numio City. Okay, Reverse Hollow Spinarak, Reverse Hollow Ariados. Bro, that's so sick. Like an evolution Reverse Hollow pull. But there's no way, guys. There's no way this is another hit. This is just going to be a Hollow. So what are we going to get? It is a Dugong. So yeah, that was kind of due, but nah, still a cool card. But yeah, let's switch it up, guys. What pack should we do first? So which is actually my favorite? It might be the Mega Starmie, then probably Meowth, then probably Zygarde, and then probably Clefable. But let's do the Zygarde first. Let's just switch it up. Why not? Electric Energy. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, it's Psychic. But yeah, boom. Let's rinse through this pack. But yeah, guys, I was thinking as well of maybe getting in some other English sets, which are the same as the Japanese ones, and we do more kind of like pack battles between each version. Oh, Reverse Holo Luxio, Reverse Holo Volcanion, and a Superior. Yo, you know what? I think this card is sick. Guys, also, what I was thinking is, do I need more light on the cards? There you go. I just turned the lights up a tiny bit, but yo, yeah, this looks super nice. Bro, I actually low-key want to just sleeve this straight away. Okay, well, I'm actually going through and I'm just sleeving up all of the other hits. So yeah, here are all the reverses and the holos sleeved up so far. I'm just going to put them to the side there. And then, yeah, guys, we got 3 packs left. So let's do the Clefable. Yeah, this is probably my least favorite pack art. Boom, there's the code card. One to the front. Flip it around. Okay, I didn't guess the energy either. But yeah, Grass, Ghastly, Crushing Hammer, Salandit, Scatterbug, Trainer card. Oh, a Shaman. That's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, also, if you're from the CS channel, hey, shout out to you guys. Say hi in the comments. We got Judge. Okay, we got Dugong. I think we already have the Dugong, don't we? Reverse Holo. Oh, Jacinth. But it's not Jacinth. It's like some French pronunciation. I can't remember, but I did learn it. But here we go. Are we going to get a hit? Are we going to get a hit? Oh, my God. We are going to get a hit. Bro, there's no way. Back-to-back cards. Jacinth. There you go, guys. Right. I had to double check. Yeah. Because I feel like a lot of people say Jacinth, but it is Jacinth, which, yeah. I mean, in English, that doesn't really look like Jacinth. But, hey, Jacinth, let's freaking go. Just tapping it into the semi-rigid. And boom. There you go. So, hey, 3 pretty banger hits so far, if I do say so myself. What a way to come back to opening Pokemon cards. But, yeah, as I say, guys, I have been kind of stockpiling up some, God, I'm kind of ruining these cards. I have been stockpiling up some boxes, so yeah, whichever boxes you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments, and I will try and make it work. Okay, wait, let's do Fire Energy. Okay, it's Electric, bro. I literally never get this right. Hey, shout out to Will, you know, he would always get that right. Oh, Snorlax, though. That looks sick, bro. I love Snorlax cards. Esper, Probopass, Sail Fossil, Luxio, Pokepad, another Jacinth. There you go, we said it right, but just the regular version. Aegislash. Oh, a Full Art Drapion. Bro, I'm not even trolling, guys. When I was looking through, I don't know why I didn't say this, but I genuinely think this is one of my favorite full art cards. Like, that looks sick. Wait, does that mean we get a hit next? I'm not sure how the packs work, but let's do this slowly. Let's do... Okay, it's right. Okay, no. Oh, it's not like anything crazy, but it's a Gengar, guys. And yeah, if you didn't already know, Gengar is one of my favorite Pokemon. So yeah, I will take that. Guys, you got to let me know down in the comments, like, have they made, like, packs, like, better? Like, the hit rates? Because this box has just been insane. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be sending some cards in to ace grading, just for the fun of it, really, and just to see what we get back, because it would be cool to get some ace 10s with the cool custom labels. And then, yeah, guys, on to the final pack, the Mega Starmie. If we could get Mega Starmie in this, then, bruh, I would actually scream. But no, I think, honestly, so far, we have just, yeah, I think I've got enough hits so far in this box. You know, I'm happy, to be honest. Even if this isn't, if we just get, like, you know, a pretty average holo, that'd be cool. Okay, there is the code card. So the final one, let's get one at least right. I'm gonna go with Fire Energy. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, yeah, it's metal. Like, that is just trash. But anyway, come on. Ghastly, Crushing Hammer, Salandit, Scatterbug, Judge, Naveen, Volcanion. Okay, Rose's Encouragement reverse, Probopass reverse, and then finally, what are we gonna get? It's a Luxray. Okay, yo, you know what, though? That is a sick-looking card, man. Some of the artwork on the new cards, guys, is just insane. But, wow, what a opening. Right, I'm just going to sleeve all the rest of these up. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to sub, guys, because I'm going to be posting a ton more videos, like multiple videos a week. As I said, probably some like tier list or rankings of sets, some ace grading submissions. I'm just going to kind of flick through these while I yap. Obviously, we've got a bunch of Japanese boxes to open and go through because they are a lot cheaper than English and it's a lot more easy to get my hands on them. But yeah, oh man, some of these cards are just so cool, man. I'm so happy with this opening, guys. This has gone far better. Okay, well, no, wait, we got the Dugong Holo and the reverse holo. That's what I was thinking of, but oh, they're now sliding out of my hands. But yeah, man, hey, Superior as well. Honestly, this has been super successful. But yeah, guys, if you're excited to see the other videos, please make sure to drop a like on the video and just share it with your friend or any other friends of yours who like Pokemon. It would really help out. But yeah, finally, Tyrant, a Mega Zygarde, crazy, Meowth EX, Jacinth, as I'm saying it right, Full Art Drapion, and yeah, just overall, what an insane opening. I will take that. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.